everyone, and welcome back to Listen and Learn English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Zoey.
We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome everyone.
In today's lesson, we are going to talk about a very useful topic.
A super useful topic.
That's right. Today we will learn how to talk about your weekend naturally in English.
Yay! Weekends are fun.
They really are. And this is a great topic because people often ask,
How was your weekend?
Exactly. You can hear this question at school, at work, with friends, or with family.
It is a very common question.
Yes. So today, Zoe and I will have a simple English conversation about our weekend.
And you can practice with us.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to Listen and Learn English, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Zoe, let's begin.
Okay.
Zoe, how was your weekend?
My weekend was fun and happy.
That's nice. My weekend was calm and good.
Ooh, calm.
Yes. So everyone, here are 2 easy answers. My weekend was fun. My weekend was relaxing.
You can also say, My weekend was busy. My weekend was great.
Very good, Zoe. Zoe, what did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I woke up early.
Really? On the weekend?
Yes, I was excited
Why were you excited?
because I went to the park with my mom.
That sounds lovely. What did you do at the park?
I played on the slide. I ran around and I saw a little dog.
Aw, that sounds so cute.
Yes, the dog was very cute. It was small and white.
Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. I had a lot of fun.
Wonderful. And what did you do after the park?
After the park, I ate ice cream.
Wow! What flavour?
Chocolate.
Chocolate is always a good choice.
Yes, it was yummy.
That sounds like a very nice Saturday morning.
It was.
What about Saturday afternoon?
In the afternoon, I stayed at home and drew pictures.
Oh, nice. What did you draw?
I drew a house, some flowers, and a big yellow sun.
That sounds beautiful.
Thank you!
And what did you do in the evening?
In the evening, I watched a cartoon with my family.
That sounds cozy.
Yes, and then I went to bed early.
Very good.
Okay, Anna, now it's your turn. What did you do on Saturday?
My Saturday was simple but nice.
Tell me.
On Saturday morning, I made coffee and had a quiet breakfast.
Coffee.
Then I cleaned my kitchen and did some laundry.
Oh, not very fun.
No, not very fun, but very necessary.
That is true.
After that, I went to the supermarket.
What did you buy?
I bought fruit, vegetables, bread, milk, and eggs.
That is a lot.
Yes, it was my shopping day.
What about the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I met a friend at a cafe.
Oh, nice. What did you eat?
I had a sandwich and I drank a cup of tea.
Did you talk a lot?
Yes, we talked for a long time.
That sounds fun.
It was. Then, in the evening, I stayed home, cooked dinner, and read a book.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it was a relaxing day. Now let's talk about Sunday. Zoe, what did you do on Sunday?
On Sunday morning, I visited my grandma.
That's sweet. What did you do there?
We ate breakfast together.
What did you eat?
I ate bread, eggs, and strawberries.
Yum, that sounds delicious.
Yes, and my grandma gave me orange juice.
Very nice. What did you do after breakfast?
We talked, and then I helped her water the plants.
That is so nice, Zoe.
I like helping Grandma.
I'm sure she was happy.
Yes, she smiled a lot.
Aw. And what about Sunday afternoon?
In the afternoon, I came home and took a nap.
Really? A nap?
Yes, I was tired.
That's fair.
After my nap, I played with my toys.
And your Sunday evening?
In the evening, I ate dinner, brushed my teeth, and got ready for school.
Very good. Sounds like a balanced day.
Yes, my Sunday was happy and peaceful. Anna, what about your Sunday?
My Sunday was very relaxing.
What did you do?
In the morning, I went for a walk in my neighborhood.
Was the weather nice?
Yes, it was cool and sunny.
That is perfect walking weather.
I agree. After my walk, I came home and made breakfast.
What did you eat?
I ate toast and fruit, and I drank tea.
Healthy.
I tried to be healthy, yes.
What did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I called my sister.
Oh, nice.
We talked for about an hour.
That's a long time.
Yes, but it was really nice. After that, I prepared food for the week.
What did you make?
I made rice, chicken, and a salad.
Wow, good job.
Thank you. In the evening, I watched a little TV and went to bed early.
So you were ready for Monday.
Exactly. So everyone, did you notice something?
We used many easy English sentences.
Yes. When you talk about your weekend, you can use simple past tense.
Like, I went to the park. I watched a cartoon. I visited my grandma.
Very good. You can also talk about time. On Saturday morning. In the afternoon. In the evening. On Sunday.
And you can talk about feelings too.
Exactly. For example, I was happy. I was tired. I was relaxed. I was excited.
These are very useful.
Yes, talking about your weekend does not need to be difficult. Just answer these simple questions. How was your weekend? What did you do on Saturday? What did you do on Sunday? How did you feel?
Easy.
Let's give everyone a few simple model answers.
Good idea.
Example 1. My weekend was relaxing. On Saturday, I stayed home and watched TV. On Sunday, I visited my family.
Example 2. My weekend was fun. I went to the park, ate ice cream, and played with my friends.
Example 3. My weekend was busy. I cleaned my house, went shopping, and cooked dinner.
These are easy and natural.
Yes, they are perfect for beginners. This was a fun lesson.
Yes, I liked talking about my weekend.
Me too. And now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments.
How was your weekend? You can write 1 or 2 simple sentences in English.
For example, my weekend was fun. I visited my grandma.
That's right. Keep it simple.
And don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to Listen and Learn English for more easy English conversations.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone!